the number of elements in a set. For example, how many elements are there? 3. So we will write it number of elements. We'll read it as number of elements in A. Number of elements in A. How many? 1, 2, 3. So 3. Now one more. Number of elements in B. Tell me. Yes, 6. Tell me. Number of elements in C. 0. Because there are no elements. Okay, it's an empty set. So number of elements in C will be 0. We have one formula to find out the union. Okay, if the number of elements in particular sets are given, we can use this formula, that is number of elements in set A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. We are going to use in certain sums. Let's see how. We have one sum in practice set 1.4. First question. If number of elements A is equal to 50, number of elements in A union B is 29. Number of elements A intersection B is 7. Find number of elements in B. Now, we have just now seen one formula. Number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. I will substitute all the possible values. Union B is 29, A is 15 plus number of elements B is told to find out minus intersect 7. Now 29 as it is, 15 minus 7 becomes 8. So 8 plus number of elements in B. Therefore 29 plus 8 comes on the side. Therefore 29 minus 8 will become 21. That means number of elements in B are 21. Okay, now we are going to see certain verifications of the two statements. They are given universal set and two sets are given. You have to verify whether first one A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Now, how to do it? See, we know the universal set. Universal set is 1, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Don't forget to write anything, otherwise you will miss everything. Universal set is given. A is given as 1, 11, 13. B is given as 8, 5, 10, 11, 15. Now, we have to find out A intersection B complement. For complement, first we should know A intersection B. So first we will find out A intersection B. A and B. In this intersection only 11. So we will write down 11. Now, A intersection B complement. So complement means I will compare this with the universal set. So except 11, all other numbers 1, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11 will not write, 12, 13, 15. Okay, this we got this side. So I will take this as 1. Now we try to find out RHS. RHS is what? A complement. A complement. So first we will find out the complement of A. So complement of A means I will compare A with all others. So that will be 1 is not there. So 3, 5, 8, 9, 10. 11 is not there. So I will not take 11. 12 I will take. 13 I won't take. 15. Similarly, now union B complement, but for finding the union we should have B complement. So I am taking it B complement first. B complement is leaving this. So 1, 3, 5 is there, 8 is there. So I will take 9, 10, 11 is there. So 12 and 13. Okay. Now I will find out union between two. See, union. So union of A complement, union B complement. Union means all together. So 1, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15. This will be second. I got my RHS. Now I will compare this one. That is, first was left hand side 1, second is RHS. I will compare first and second. Is it same? Yes. Therefore, we will write down. Therefore, A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. It will always come same. So, first rule is verified. Now let's see the second rule. Same. Okay. Universal set A, B. First we will have LHS. A union B complement. For that I should have first A union B. A union B means all together. So 1, 8, 5, 10, 11, 13, 15. I wrote all together. Now A union B complement. So I will compare this A union B with the universal set. So 1 is already there, 3, 5 is there, 8 is there, 9, 10, 11, 12 is not there. I will take 12, 13, 15 are there. Okay. So I got 1 LHS, so I will take it as 1. Now A complement again. I will compare A with this. So it will be 1 is there. So 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11 is there. So 12, 13 is there. I won't take 15. B complement. B complement is compared with 1, 3, 5, 8 is there. So 9, 10 is there. 11 is there. 12 and 13. 15 is there. Now, intersection. A intersection. A complement, intersection B complement. So, common between this. 3, 9, 12. Nothing else. So, I got this RHS. First and second. See, both are same. Therefore, A union B, the whole complement, is equal to A complement intersection B complement. You will always get both LHS, RHS. This is the rule. So you will always get is same, equal. Okay. If you don't get it, that means you have missed it somewhere. You have to be very careful in writing each and every element properly. Go on checking 1, 2, twice, thrice whether you have written all the elements properly or not. I hope you have understood it very clearly. These are the rules.